Hey, it's Dave. I'm back to give you my review of the Flyin Miata Stage 2.5 suspension upgrade kit and IL Motorsport bushings. Check out my videos, 3 parts, 1, 2, and 3, where I show you how to install all that. And today, I'll tell you if it was worth it. You're watching Dave's Auto DIY. So I'm back from getting the 4-wheel alignment, so we're all set to do a full review. The Flyin Miata Stage 2.5 upgrade kit comes with Flyin Miata sway bars, Koni Sport adjustable shocks, Flyin Miata springs, and I've installed the IL Motorsport bushings, suspension bushings, at all 4 corners. Was it worth it? Yes, definitely. The car definitely corners flatter now with the Flyin Miata sway bars. If I was to pick one of the 3 jobs, I would do the sway bars first. The sway bars was the easiest, and it seemed to have the biggest influence on the way the car handles. 1.6 Miata like this tends to lean a lot in corners. It still leans a lot in corners, but it's a lot better with these sway bars. The shocks and springs were also an upgrade. No longer do I have that occasional thump in the back end when I hit a large bump. It doesn't, it seems to be a lot more smoother, tighter suspension. I haven't had a chance to play with the adjustable nature. I've got it set at the Flyin Miata recommended setting of a 3/4 turn from full soft. It's not that easy to adjust, even though it's just turning that knob, because the rear left shock is in behind a metal plate in the trunk, and so to get at it, you have to remove that metal plate or never install that metal plate. So it's not something I plan to adjust ever, but with the recommended setting, I'm quite satisfied. The bushings, the IL Motorsport bushings, to tell you the truth, I can't tell that much difference versus the stock. My stock bushings were 35 years old, so I'm sure they were quite worn out, but when I removed them, they actually didn't look that bad. So they're still, the IL Motorsport bushings are still rubber. They're newer, of course. They're supposed to be a little bit stiffer. I can't tell a huge difference. I'm not complaining. I think they're great, but I can't. Of the 3 steps, I would say that's the least influence on the way the car handles. So it was a lot of work, but I would recommend it. I'm quite happy. The car feels, the car handles a lot better than it did. It was quite soft and bouncy. Now it feels like I think it should feel. So overall, I give this kit 5 stars. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you hit subscribe, and I hope to see you next time on Dave's Auto DIY.